Hello guys, we're going to add two more theorems to the triangle shortcuts. Before we had side, angle, side congruence and side, side, side congruence. But before we move forward, it's really important you guys understand the idea of something being included or non-included. And when we look at all these, you want to look at almost like the odd person out. If you look at this first one, ASA, the odd person out, so to speak, is the side that's in the middle. And this side, because it's in the middle, is the included side. In the next one, in AAS, congruence, the odd person out, is again the side, but this time it's not in between, it's non-included. It's a non-included side. And then the third one, we have side, angle, side, but the odd person out, so to speak, this time is an angle, and it's in between the two sides, so it's an included angle. Now I'll write out the word. And then the last one, there are no odd people out, no odd person out, so we don't have to worry about included or non-included. Okay, so let's get started with the first one, and it's the angle side angle congruence theorem. And what this is in words is if there are two pairs of congruent corresponding angles and one pair of included congruent sides, then the two triangles are congruent. And what this means is, well, let's look at the picture. If I look here, I have angle A here. That's congruent to angle D here, right? So we have angle A congruent to angle D. And we have another angle here. We'll color it purple. And here. And this is angle C is congruent to angle F. And then the last thing is, if you look, there's a side directly between them, CA and DE, and they are also congruent. And we have CA is congruent to FD, okay? And this is an included side. Then the triangles are congruent. Okay, so the way you'd write it using algebraically and these example triangles, if angle A is congruent to angle D and angle C is congruent to angle F and CA is congruent to FD, then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, and this is the way angle side angle works.